Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy the gold on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type gold just like this and search for it. And now here you can find the pairs of the gold. Now tap onto one of these that you are interested in just like this. Now to buy it, simply tap onto the buy button which is on the green color just like this. And add the additional information about the cryptocurrency and you can buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the gold on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.